I mean, this is not even a question, but Linux is and open source is everywhere these days. But desktop is still, But Google.
One day. Well, actually, I mean, Chromebooks are getting pretty common.
You can run Debian apps on Chromebooks now. They have started a project.
Well, they've started. I'm not. I mean, Crouton has been around for a while, but now the official Google support for running Debian apps is starting to kind of trickle out. I haven't actually used it yet, and I think it's pretty new. I only use Chromebooks for calendaring, but it seems to be that Chromebooks and Android are the path towards the desktop.
But does it really matter nowadays, because we are doing most of our work in cloud? And
I think it still matters. I mean, it's a lot of people still use the desktop. Not everybody uses the cloud, right? I still wish we were better at having a standardized desktop that goes across all the distributions. There's been some progress there. I mean, this is not a kernel issue, so this is just like more of a personal annoyance how the fragmentation of the different vendors have, I think, held the desktop back a bit. But there has been some progress on that front too, with Flatpak and things like that. So.
But
I'm still optimistic, but it's been 25 years. It's going to be another few years at least.
Even with the Flatpak, there is app image, and then there is, so there is another sort of segmentation.
The desktop is not there yet.
Because if there's one format, then Linux will be treated as one platform, not multiple platforms that company have to support.
And that may be what Chromebooks end up doing, is that maybe that will turn into a de facto standard for desktop applications when Chromebooks start just running Debian packages or something. We'll see.
Yeah, it will be more like Chrome OS is the desktop environment, and you're running, so.
Yeah, I mean, what I do, I would actually not mind having a Chromebook, but right now, my main problem is even when you can run native Linux on Chromebooks with Crouton or something, you can't do the kernel testing,
right?
Which is what I care about. So it's at the point where I can kind of see where I could use a Chromebook in a few years,
but not yet.
But it's not there yet.